Hi, I'm Samantha, and I'm a product manager in Microsoft's Office Media Group. I'm going to show you how to make a video using Microsoft Stream. To start, I'll go to stream.office.com and select the recording button. From here, I can record myself or my screen or both at the same time. I'm going to record myself and my screen. This is a great option for making a how-to or demo video to transfer your knowledge to others. I'll set up my backdrop to a window that I want to share. For this example, I'll show you a sheet in Excel. Next, I'm going to add text and a sticker to liven up my video. Now I'll start the recording. Now we're filming, so here's where I would explain all the how-to information I want to convey about this Excel sheet. Once I'm done, I'll tap the record button. Then I'll save my video by tapping the next, then the finish button. This takes me to a new screen where I can add a title, a description, chapters, and transcript to my video. Now my video is ready to be shared. I can share it in Teams, or I can share a link via email or post it on SharePoint or Yammer. Try making your own video today at stream.office.com. Stream in Microsoft 365 brings video into the flow of your everyday work.